Today we're making baked potatoes. I have here a little over a kilo of potatoes. And the first step is let's slice them to about the size of Shakey's Mojos. So about this thick. About this thick. Okay, that's done. So I forgot to mention earlier that I already pre-washed these potatoes. So the way to wash them would be to soak them under water and use a brush and brush off the soil that's accumulated on the skin. I didn't peel these because that's fine. Next, get some bacon. So let's use about half a kilo. This is a 1 kilo pack, so we can slice it in the middle. Save the rest for some other recipe. Okay, then slice this into smaller pieces, about an inch. Okay, then separate the pieces. Next, in a preheated pan, let's cook the bacon. No need to add any oil. So what we're doing now is we're rendering the fat off of that bacon, and it's going to cook in its own fat. You don't have to toast these, so as long as you can see some caramelization on the sides like that, that's enough. So switch off the heat. Then put the bacon to one side, near the handle. Then what you can do is tilt your pan, rest it somewhere stable, like that, so you can drain the oil. Then you can get your bacon, put it in a bowl. Okay, set that aside. Next, using the same pan with the bacon fat left there, add some more oil. About half an inch deep. And once that oil gets hot, put in your potato slices. You don't need to cook this all the way through because you'll be baking it in a while. So this is already fine. Drain off the excess oil. So that's about 2 minutes of cooking. So as you can see, we have a lot of potato to cook here. Just do it in batches. Make sure you don't crowd the pan so it cooks more evenly. And drain as much of the oil as you can. Then continue with the next batches. Okay, next step is let's assemble our layers. Let's start off with a baking dish. Then I have here the half-cooked potatoes, the bacon that we prepared earlier, And then I also prepared about 2 cups of a mix of grated Parmesan and grated cheddar cheese. And also 1 big pack of all-purpose cream. So to start off, line your bottom with a bit of cream. Not too much, okay? And then get your potato pieces, spread them at the bottom. Okay, that should be good. Add in a bit more cream, not too much. Then a bit of the cheese. So it depends on you how much cheese you want. So that's good for me. Then add in your bacon. Make sure that every slice has a piece of bacon. Okay. Then next layer. Okay, I think we're down to our last layer. Then put all the cheese on top. Okay. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Celsius. Bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. So at the 20-minute mark, just check if the cheese is already toasted, and that should be good. If not, leave it for another 5 minutes. After baking for 25 minutes, you can see that we have some toasted cheese on top. So that's what you want. Now let's slice into this. Okay, here's a generous serving. So you can see all the layers there. The cream, the cheese, the bacon, the potatoes. Let's taste. So get a piece of that charred cheese. Put some bacon. It's very good. And we're done.